My dear students, now we have to discuss the external recruitment methods. HR department can use various approaches to locate and attract external candidates, often looking to more than one source. It is not a good idea to focus on one source. There can be a number of external recruitment sources. So we can name some of the external recruitment sources. For example, sources include government employment agencies, those employment agencies which are run by the government. Then there are a number of private employment agencies nowadays working in Pakistan as well. Then there are recruiting consultants. There are individual freelance consultants who can help you to locate and attract best qualified candidate for your organization. Then there are executive search firms. These executive search firms are very much specific to hire top management executives for your organization. Then educational institutions are also helping you to hire best qualified candidates, because the main supply of the workforce in Pakistan are coming from different educational institutions. So now educational institutions also have their job placement offices. So these offices may help you to find best qualified candidates for your vacancy in the organization. Then there are a number of professional associations and organizations. Then advertisements are the most common way of hiring candidates from the external sources. Then employee referral and unsolicited applications are also the common methods of hiring employees from external methods. We will discuss each and every method in details in the next coming sessions. But before going to the next topic, we have to discuss some of the researches on the recruitment channels, particularly recruitment channels which are called as external recruitment channels. Decker and Cornelius suggest that employees' referrals are the best, while newspaper advertisement and employment agencies are among the worst. So you may agree or disagree with the findings of Decker and Cornelius, but they found that employee referrals are the best way to hire external candidates, while advertisement and employment agencies are not the best way, they are among the worst. There is another research by Kieran, Farley and Giesinger found results in the favor of informal recruitment channels such as employee referrals and walk-ins. So they are focusing more on the informal recruitment channels rather than more formal recruitment channels. And then in contrast, a study by Swaff, Barclay and Boss found no relationship between recruitment channels and job tenure or employee productivity. Means there is no link between recruitment channels and job tenure or the employee productivity hired by that particular recruitment channels. So there are mixed findings. So it is concluded that each organization should conduct its own audit of recruitment channels in terms of cost, in terms of candidate quality, and in terms of its ultimate performance. So these findings are quite mixed, and each organization needs to make decisions based on their own information and their own data. There are some contextual issues in the recruitment channels, and the state of the economy can also influence the value of a particular recruitment method. For example, high unemployment usually means that unsolicited applications are more frequent and better quality than they are when the labor market is tight. So if there would be high unemployment, then unsolicited applications would be more for your organization. But in contrast, if there is a full employment is likely to force the HR manager to use several recruitment methods. For example, if it is a full employment, HR managers need to make much more efforts to hire people. They need to use number of external recruitment channels and sources. So why they need to use it? Because there are a lot of qualified candidates available in the open market, and you need a best qualified candidate for your organization. So to hire a best qualified candidate, you need to use number of recruitment sources so you can attract and you can locate and you can retain the best qualified candidate through external recruitment methods.